All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So in today's video, we are going to be working on the new 2023 Chevy Bolt EUV Premier model. And what we're going to be doing in today's video, we're going to be getting rid of the nasty yellowish reverse lights that the car has. I got these bulbs off Amazon. I think this pack was like maybe 15, no, like $12. T15 921 white bulbs, and then we have a set of LED bulbs for the interior lighting as well. I mean, I get it. It was kind of like a budget EV car, but I would figure the interior light would be LED as well, but it's not. So we're going to change out the interior lighting, and the biggest thing is we're going to change out the reverse lighting as well. And I've already got down there and looked at it. It's just two little bulbs in the back, like a plug style, like a twist plug. So you're just going to twist it counterclockwise, pull it out, and then we'll put the new one in. So let me go ahead and demonstrate and show you guys what the factory reverse light looks like on the Bolt. All right, so here is what the factory reverse lights look like on the Bolt. I do not like that at all, so we're going to fix that. We're going to remove that, and we're going to change that out. I don't know why my camera's not focusing. Okay, so sorry about that autofocus issue, or, you know, I don't know why it wasn't focusing, but this is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get in here. I mean, the quality of the camera looks great, but it's also not extremely dark in here as well, because, you know, if you're pulling out of a parking lot somewhere that's very dim, I want this area to be lit up behind Kylie as bright as it can be. So let's go ahead and change those bulbs out. All right, so the best way to try to show you is directly where my two fingers are. There's a spot right up under here that allows you to, let me see if I can do this one-handed and film. I got my hand on the bulb itself. Hang on one second. Let me unplug this and put the camera down so I have two hands. All right, so in order to get under the car, like I said, directly where the bulbs are shining, you'll turn it counterclockwise and you'll hear it click, and then it'll come out, and then all you got to do is literally pull the factory bulb out and put the new bulb in. So I'm going to do that now off camera, and then I'll show you what the new white LED light looks like. And also, if you guys are interested in getting these reverse lights or the map lighting that I have for the car, I'll have a link down in the description to Amazon so you guys can get the same products. All right, here's what the factory bulbs look like compared to the new LED bulbs that we're going to be putting in the car. Not much difference, but there's a whole lot of LEDs on this bad boy, so it's definitely gonna light up the entire rear of the car when it's in reverse. All right, so here's what it looks like with the new LEDs in. Let me go cut the garage light off. And I'll show you guys. Of course, I still have my outdoor lights on outside the garage, but I think that makes a huge difference on what it looks like. Let's see what the backup camera looks like. It's not a huge difference, but we definitely are going to be getting rid of those lights as well. Come on, focus. There we go. Oh yeah, that looks good. Let's go ahead and put the car in park. Shut her off, and let's move into changing these lights out. I'd already started messing with this one, so this bulb's already loose, so that's why only one side is lighting up. Okay, so the next thing that I did was remove these plastic pieces for where the map lighting is, and I have this little pry tool. I'll have a link down in the description as well for that. And then these bulbs in here aren't very friendly to get out. They are going to be a pain in the rear. So let me get these out and then plug the new LED bulbs in. As you can see here are the new LED bulbs. I believe they come in a 10 pack, so you get you get plenty of them. I believe maybe they were $12, but like I said, link down in the description as well for those. All right, so we got the new bulbs in, as you can see. So one of the harder parts is whenever you're taking these off, these bulbs are at like a weird angle. See, and I've got this one kind of messed up with the switch. I'll have to go back and fix that. But the bulb is in such a weird angle. My fingers are too fat to pull it out. So I just took a little, I don't remember which pick it was. Oh, it was this pick. I just took a pick and just on the back side slid that bulb out, and now it works just fine. I just got to fix the little switch that goes, that turns the bulb on whenever you click it like this. Hang on, let me show you. Because I got it messed up. Yeah, see this one, the switch, I gotta go back and I don't know how that happened. It's like one of the connectors. It has something to do with the switch, because this button, see how that one pops on, pops off? This one doesn't do that. So there's something up here that's not releasing that button to be pressed. So I need to fix that. So hopefully that doesn't happen to you all whenever you're changing them out. Okay, so I'm gonna just give you a little demonstration. We have this piece done now for the rear LED, and then I'll show you on this side. It's the yellow incandescent nastiness. And then so what you need to do is on this side, I took a small pick and you pry these two prongs down, and there is a 8mm bolt in there. As you can see, Connor, now
right here, you don't have to pry. Just take a small pick and push in.
Dink.
And it'll pop down. So you don't actually have to pry on them. You just got to push into them.
Dink. And then there are your two 8mm bolts.
All right, guys. So once you got the two 8mm bolts out, you'll see it's pretty loose. Then you just take it and you got to kind of wiggle it on each side. There's almost like a little Christmas tree prong that goes into this hole right next to the bolt. And then same on this side. Just kind of wiggle it. I don't know if you can see that.
Oh yeah, we can see it perfect. Yep, that was good.
All right, and then when to take this out. All right, it's in the headliner. You just kind of pull it a little bit so you can get your fingers underneath the top. If you look up in here, you can't really see it, but
there's a metal like clasp.
Yeah, I just got it. All right, guys. So once you go to pull it out, this clip on this side was a little messed up, but normally this little metal clip, you can just see just the edge of it, and you take a flat pry bar and you just push it in, and then it'll pop out of the headliner, and then you slide it back, lift it up, because on this side you do have a hook as well that goes and sits inside the headliner, and then you just flip it up, and then this clips and holds it up in the headliner.
And then just remove
no, you don't have to remove that.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, twist the bulb out.
And then you twist the bulb out like that.
Twist the bulb out, and then we're gonna replace it with the 194 LED bulbs. I'll have a link in the description for these lights. It's the same ones that go in the map lights, and then I'll have one for the reverse light as well. Super simple process. Just the hardest part about this is obviously popping that clip out for the actual bracket piece, and then get those two 8mm bolts out, and it'll come right out. Boom. All right, so as you can see, the new LED is in. We're gonna put everything back together, and then I'll show you kind of a 360 of what the car looks like with all the new white LED lights. Which don't know why from the factory this is not an option, but we got it done. All right, so as you can see, here is the LED light in the daytime. It looks so much better at night and is a lot brighter. It helps the backup camera as well. All right, you can put it in park. There you go. And then here is the interior lighting, and then as you can see, we have the dome lights done as well. Turn your headlamp off. So, there's a look of it. All right, that is going to do it for today's video. Thank you all so much for stopping by the channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, leave this video a big thumbs up. And also, like I mentioned, if you're interested in the interior LED lighting and the reverse lighting for your Bolt, I'll have a link down in the description. The next video on the Bolt we're gonna have is Kylie's first solo EV road trip, and it may have not have went how she wanted it. So stay tuned for that. Peace.